Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off TalkBack. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. We need to double tap. In TalkBack mode, we need to double tap to select. Double tap. Then on the search field, double tap. Then type TalkBack. So here we can see TalkBack. Select it, double tap. Then tap on TalkBack. Here, select it. Then double tap to select. So here we can see use TalkBack. We can tap here and disable TalkBack. We need to double tap to select. Then tap on stop. Here also again double tap. Now done. So this way we can turn off TalkBack. Okay, so please check it.